if you ever plan to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then this is the right time of the year, because right now the Black Friday deals are running right now at Hostinger. Plus, I will tell you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running Black Friday deals at Hostinger. So what you have to do to get this amazing discount is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link mentioned in the description of this video, you will be landed on a page like this. Now here you may see the Black Friday deals are running right now. The best thing about Hostinger is that all of the plans offer you 30 days money back guarantee. So you can buy with confidence, and you are going to get additional 10% discount on already running Black Friday deal if you click on the link in the description and follow the step-by-step method on how to use the coupon code discount. And if you look around on the Hostinger reviews, you can actually see, and you may be surprised to know that 55,000 people have rated Hostinger on Trustpilot, and the majority of the reviews are just 5-star. Almost everyone pays it, and this is one of the reasons, I've been using Hostinger from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I recommend everyone to use Hostinger. And because right now the Black Friday deals are running right now, and you're going to get additional coupon code discount. So what you have to do is to simply select the claim deal over here. Make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy this amazing discount. So once you select the claim deal, you can see again 30 days money back guarantee is available. You can cancel anytime. 24/7 support is over here. And before you opt for any plan, I recommend you do a comparison, and then you can opt for any plan. So I mostly recommend the premium and business plan, because they have almost everything which you may need it. Just make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy the amazing discount. Let's say we're going with the premium plan with the Black Friday and further discount. So once you select the choose plan over here, you will be redirected to another page, and on that page you can use the coupon code to get additional discount and free domain as well. So grab this amazing deal with Hostinger. So let's get to the wait for the card to get loaded, and then we can go further and enjoy your Hostinger discount. So the page is loaded. You can see the Black Friday deal is running right now. Huge deals on 48 months. And yes, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods, 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. And the 48 months is a deal. You're going to save a lot of money. 48 months is a bargain, So I recommend you to offer the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money. Plus you're getting free domain plus 2 extra months of free hosting with this order. So make sure to grab this everything. You can see around over here, you're getting free 2 months extra, free domain name, free setup, free domain privacy protection. And now to get your free domain, write your domain over here, or you can do it later on as well. But let's say we're doing it right now. Let's say I want this domain, and this domain is valid for first year. So grab the discount over here. For instance, I'm going to get this one, okay, or I can get any as per my convenience. So you can see my free domain is loaded as well, and now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. So simply apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running Black Friday deals. Isn't it amazing? So grab this out. Okay, you can also opt for 1 year and pay nothing for the domain as well and get a further discount. So you can see the price. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount on already running Black Friday deal at Hostinger. So this is definitely a bargain for anyone who plans to enjoy or buy their hosting from Hostinger. So you can see the discount is loaded, your 30 days money back guarantee is loaded. Now simply move on to the continue and move on to the last part. And the last part is the billing and payment at Hostinger to grab this amazing coupon code discount at Hostinger. So you can see now you have to write your billing details over here. You can see your order summary over here. You can see your free domain $0. You are getting free setup, free extra free months, and you are getting your coupon code discount is loaded as well, which is going to give you additional 10% on already running Black Friday deals. Now write your billing details over here and move on to the continue, move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment methods. The good thing regarding Hostinger is that Hostinger offers you variety of payment methods. Guys, you can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you can pay via crypto, Bitcoin, USDT, Alipay, Apple. You have variety payment methods to choose, and this is another good thing I like about HostGator, that they offer you variety payment methods. So let's say going to credit card, where credit card details, and simply select the submit button, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hosting with all of your details. So just for a revision, I've been using it from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good, and I highly recommend you the part of the Hostinger family. And this is the best time because the Black Friday deals are going on right now, and you are going to get additional discount on Black Friday deal if you click on the link in the description and use my either of the coupon code through the tutorial I have mentioned in this video. So I look forward on welcoming all of you at Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.